Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a video to your Google Drive and share the link in 2025. So whether you want to share a project, a YouTube draft, or just store the videos online, this method works perfectly on both your PC and your mobile. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser here in your PC. Then you just have to simply search for drive.google.com. If you are using Chrome web browser and if you are logging here with the help of your email address, if you click on this Google Apps option here on the top, you will find the Drive option, which is going to basically redirect you inside your Google Drive. So once you are here, simply click on the option of New in the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, among the given options, simply click on the option of File Upload. Now, once you do this, you just have to select that particular video which you want to basically download here or upload here in your Google Drive. You need to make sure that the video file is in the MP4, MOV, or any of the standard formats. Otherwise, it won't be visible when you click on the option of New and select the option of File Upload. Now you need to wait for some time until this particular circle completes. Once it is completed, it is going to show you a check mark right next to it, which is going to indicate you that the video is uploaded successfully. Now, once this is done, you can click on the option of this video. Then you can click on the option of three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to see a bunch of other options relating to it. Now you just have to select the video which you have just uploaded, then click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of it. After that, select the option of share, and here you are going to find the copy link option. So you can click on the option of copy link in order to copy the link of this video, and now you can share it with anyone you want. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.